Hello everyone. It feels really good to know individuals and groups from different spheres of life and to get connected with them and to know their story also. Today, PT Sundaramji is with us to share his journey from being a senior officer in a renowned company to being a married couple counselor. In these 20 years, he has mentored more than 25,000 individuals, and during these 3 decades of work with core qualification of B Mechanical, he became a behavioral trainer, a certified associate coach, a mentor, a psychometric analyst, NLP trainer, and a quantum psychologist. So there's lot in his bucket, and let's hear it from him. The secret behind his success. A very warm welcome, sir, to So2 High, and we are glad that we'll be knowing your journey. Yes, sir, what made you become a relationship preneur or mentor, and how are you motivating couples, and what method you are using?
Okay, thank you so much. First of all, I thank you for honoring my request. How I became a relationship mentor. See, there are two stories behind it. We have a very painful story. I would call the God made syllabus. God has made me a mentor. कैसे बताता हूँ?
अच्छा.
I was around 9 years old. My father, we hail from south, deep, and but we were mostly in Maharashtra and Andhra. So when we were in Hyderabad, my father was a police constable. He had is a very big family, like any other story, little income, and his intention was very good to help his brother, his sister. But they were a very big family. So, but that had my mother could not face that because she did was sometimes willingly, unwillingly. तो ऐसे होता था तो my mother I was very close to my mother only son being only son very close to my mother because every child mother is the world. Okay, so then she used to tell me, nahi, father is not listening to me, he's torturing, we'll go to God. So मैंने बोला God, okay, we'll go to God. Because every time we used to go to temple, Hanuman ji ke temple, this is the God, this is the God. Okay, so I thought she was going to call me a temple or going to park. But she used to cry and she used to sleep. Because she had a differences with my father. He
Oh,
wants to bring his one more brother and he wants to bring him up in the school, college. She had a bitter, painful. Earlier, one brother came and, as usual, he was mentored and he had a bad name for them. So that is the reason she was very painful. One night she told me, "We'll go to God." Then I told, "Okay, we'll go to God." She took me to that one Hanuman Ji ka jo temple, the
hmm.
well is there. उसके अंदर she just pushed me inside and she pushed us aside. I told, "What is this? You told me you want to take to know यहाँ से shortcut है." It was around 7:30 in the evening.
Oh,
Then she pressed my nostrils and pushed me down. She pressed her nostril also. I was telling, what is this happening? Suddenly, I don't know what has happened. I had some water gone inside and when I was opened my eyes. I was on the floor and this it was in the temple Hanuman Ji statue ke samne. The pujari was asking me what happened, why my mother was lying there. Then I told the whole story. Then I told he told me, okay, beta, but do you want after your mother is gone, she will get more bad name, no? Or she will get good name. When a father and all that are telling bad name, वो ज़्यादा होगा कम होगा और ज़्यादा होगा. Do you want that? I don't want that. This sentence has changed my life. No, for this only you have to say so many people. हजारों माओं को आपको बचाना है. करेंगे ना आप? मतलब promise कीजिए बोला. हाँ करेंगे हजार को नहीं लाखों नहीं करोड़ों करेंगे. It was something like a dialogue. At that time, at 9 years, I didn't think that I will become engineer, I'll become a psychologist, I'll become a doctorate in NLP. नहीं था. So this, of course, I had a painful incident afterwards. In another 10 years, वो तो 9 years हो गया. Another 10 years, I went in. So चाचा जी को मारने के लिए एक गैंग बना लिया दोस्तों के साथ. Because my intention is चाचा जी is creating a problem. So I was running behind. Then at the age of I think 14 or 15, I think 16, my mother started crying one day. See, I wanted you to become a doctor or engineer. You are running behind this and you are running in police case. उसको मार के फायदा क्या है? Then she cried very heavily. No, I told okay, I will become engineer. So that is how I went into engineering. So that is how that is one painful incident. Oh, mother is not there now. I think all the girls and boys who come to me, they are my mother. I don't want one more boy to say suffer like me, one more future kid to come like me. I see my mother and father in them. That was one reason. Second thing, I was working for Bell. We used to recruit engineers and MBAs from different institutions in India. वहाँ पे they were all students, 100 every year. We take 100 students and we train them. They were all under my training program. I was in charge of the training hostel. And I saw the good, bad, ugly. So as usual, kids, college kids, 1 year complete classroom training. And as a guy, I had all the problem. And they go to movie, come back late, get caught up in the police, drink caught up in the police. Then from there, they will call me, Doctor Saab, aisa ho gaya, aisa ho gaya. Then with my influence, to bring them from home. When I used them help from them, then used to become close to friends. So after this one, they got married. One couple got married. Both were my students. Then when she told me, क्या साहब आपके स्टूडेंट को आप बोलते नहीं क्या? You don't tell good things to your student. No, but you're also my student. She was referring to her husband. No, sir, he is having extramarital affairs on the side. वो कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है. मतलब see, she called me. Sir, thank you very much, sir. My husband came and I have understood him. And yes, he lot of exaggeration करता है. इतना करता है, इतना ज़्यादा बोलता है. I have not taken it seriously. And had he come half an hour late, you would have got my dead body.
Oh.
Okay, though she was saying. Then I thought, okay, but itna simple knowledge is not
Mm.
available to the people. That is the reason. You are with your husband, he is with you. इतना आपको personality consciousness नहीं है, more rather emotional consciousness. We
Mm.
see, as a daddy, I will shout at you. As a daughter, you shout at me. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपका murder कर दूंगा, मतलब मैं really में murder कर दूंगा. नहीं होता है ना. That thing is not there in them. Then I thought, by then I tell them. These are the two reasons. I retired in 2016. Then I came to Chennai. I did all my options. Then I thought this is one option. Then I clicked. I love 100 of psychologists are there in Chennai. I was little afraid to start. Then when I did my homework, kya psychology, kya pass. But one thing is all were academic psychologists. They were ex department of psychology. Nobody was just having a practical experience. Then I thought, okay, when to one aata hai, to I will be the number one guy because I had done practically. It is not that I talk theory about it.
Yeah.
So उसी तरह अभी भी अगर आप practor.com में अगर आप जाएंगे तो मेरा नंबर वन है psychologist Chennai practor.com. Chennai, if you put psychology, is my number one. And about hundreds of clients are there who has given their feedback after getting treated from me. So
Okay.
these are the two incidents. I would say the God made syllabus. मदर को जो promise किया था
Mm.
वो एक है. And the reason my mission is to help around 1 million couples.
Wow.
I have to help them out because last 20 years, whatever the psychology school program I attended, de-attended, so all these things I combined together. I have to give it to them. I am on that mission.
Wow. Like it's very inspiring to know all these incidents. And one more thing I would like to understand, like you've achieved so much in life, so much success you have got, people have started knowing you, but what makes you contented at the end of the day?
Not contented, मैडम. You say uncontented हुए. Contented नहीं है. क्यों बोले तो अभी मैंने जो अचीव किया है, I paid a lot of price for this. See, आपको मैंने कहा था ना, the garbage in, garbage out. See, the school education system is like that. Whether the person gets a job or not, but his educational loan is ready.
Yes.
And after the why it is like this? इतना करके फायदा क्या? So much of glamour, lot of people. अभी भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो lot of girls commit, lot of glamour. Psychologist बन जाएंगे, वो कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे. 10 रुपए नहीं मिलता. Why? Because the Indian psychological syllabus is an outdated syllabus. Last 30 years, वो animal psychology हो, statistical psychology हो, वही बात करते हैं. Application psychology is not there. Practically nothing. No practical psychology goes into all academic teachers. They should have. I'm sorry to tell that. So then I thought, by then there are people in US and UK where psychologists are number one when compared to the ordinary practitioner. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? Then I went about what courses they are doing, how they are producing result. That is how I learned NLP. NLP I learned in 1997. 20 years I was waiting for that. NLP I knew about it. So I paid a very heavy price at that time. So then I absorbed many other schools of psychology, psychometric techniques, because until unless other see it is like no, whatever I do, if I go in circle, I'll get a circle. If what others are doing, I will be doing, I'll also on the road. आई
Mm.
डू समथिंग, सर्कल को स्पाइरल बनाना है, स्पाइरल बनाना है तो क्या करना है, वो जो सक्सेसफुल स्पाइरल है उसको कॉपी करना है. दैट इज हाउ आई हैव डन दैट. एंड Uh, then earlier I was students counseling. Student counseling में 3 years पैसा तो नहीं आता है. Students are ready but parents have to pay.
Yes.
तो वो एक painful incident था. So by the time I invested a lot in that program. See, the program I go there, it is not useful. I cannot ask him, it is not useful. Sometimes it's a duplication of training program. So then I got training is only knowing. यहाँ पे जो होना है doing skill है, knowing skill नहीं है. So that I went into coaching. Coaching is nothing but doing. Counseling is a person who is drowning. You get him from the depth of water to the shore is called counseling. Coaching is a person who is normal. उसको आगे ले जाना, goal setting कराना है उसको. And combining all these two is mentoring. Mentoring is something like putting a seed.
And what is your success rate and how have you achieved that?
नहीं, success rate I would say 200%.
Acha,
कैसे?
wow.
कैसे बोले तो because I told you, suppose you give me a couple, I don't take because Aditi has recommended. I will talk to the husband separately. I will talk to the wife separately. फिर I will tell them, भैया आप email दे दो. What do you expect from me? So he will have a. Then I tell him, भाई ये आपने जो point लिखे ना, ये तो नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? It's a lifetime effort. These are the 5 areas I can help you to. तो इसमें क्या है, वो boundary clear हो गया. What I will do, what I will not do. I don't expect psychology miracle कर देगा. And the second thing is every session homework. Got a V diary. We give this called V diary. We meet diary.
Okay.
हस्बैंड वाइफ के वी मीट डायरी होता है. वी मीट डायरी यानी एक डायरी होगा, वी मीटिंग एवरी वीक दे हैव टू मीट टुगेदर. वो डायरी में लिखना है हाउ टू राइट डाउन व्हाट आई हैव डन, व्हाट नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन यू कम विद दैट ओनली, देन ओनली आई विल गिव यू फर्दर काउंसलिंग.
Okay.
अदरवाइज नो काउंसलिंग. सो दे देमसेल्फ आर मेजरिंग. ये मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये करेक्ट. If a single person comes 100%, both husband and wife comes 200%. That is the reason I take the 200% results. So it's a practical. Actually, it's a practical one. And यहाँ पे क्या है that I know the person who give me email is the person who is having a pain. See, when I'm having a pain, I will not be doing this interview with you. I'll be running to it. Yes.
And how have you groomed yourself and established yourself so well in this field of yours?
हाँ, see, actually, grooming का मैंने बताया था ना, that 30 रुपीज वाला स्टोरी है ना. Then वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, मतलब ये 30 रुपीज का स्टोरी है. पीजी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किया, इतना पैसा देखिए वेस्ट. Then NLP कर एक सुना था, न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक. इट इज अ मैथमेटिकल साइकोलॉजी. अगर आप इसका बैकग्राउंड देखेंगे ना, दिस हैज बीन डन बाय वन इंजीनियर, नॉट बाय डॉक्टर. इंजीनियर वर्किंग इन नासा. And that fellow was little extra genius. Extra genius ना, अगर आप मूवी में देखेंगे ना, एक कॉमेडियन विल टेल इन सम मूवी, आई डोंट नो, वो हीरो हीरोइन दे आर इन द ग्लास केबिन के अंदर है. अभी उनके लिप मूवमेंट देखे मैं उसका स्टोरी बोलूंगा. So husband, this heroine are doing a lip movement, and I will make my own story. So उसी तरह this fellow was making a lot of stories. The pioneer of NLP. So everybody was telling her he was making correct stories. He was making correct stories. Well, you बहुत बड़ा magician है यार. There is one guy called Grinder करके है. वो language specialist है. वो तेरी तरह language specialist कर रहा है. You go and work with him. And he was working with lot of odd experiments like cut spider का leg निकाल के cockroach का रखना. ऐसा they were doing a lot of and collapsible toilet because they were working for space. So that is how they, was engineer good at that. Then he collaborated with a language specialist, and they started copying successful people. Okay, that they have copied 3%. One is a gestalt therapist को copy किया, family psychologist को copy किया. Then he evolved a different schools of psychology के जितने भी best techniques है, वो practical techniques उसमें डाल दी. And he calls it like a mind programming, used to call neuro-linguistic programming. So a lot of time he could not sell it in US itself because everybody used to, what are you doing? NLP program. How programming bija de mere ko. So they were thinking it's a software program. Then after some time, some school afterwards, some people started telling neuro-linguistic psychology. Even in US, you can find one school of one go with NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, other neuro-linguistic psychology. So वहाँ पे results are very simple. There are two aspects. One is if there are no results, there are no mistake. आई एम नॉट टेस्टिंग यू प्रॉपरली और यू आर नॉट लर्निंग प्रॉपरली. थर्ड मिस्टेक नहीं है. एवरी सेशन यू हैव टू गेट रिजल्ट. दैट इज वन. सेकंड थिंग हमारे यहाँ क्या है, पॉजिटिव साइकोलॉजी. अभी सपोज यू गो टू साइकोलॉजिस्ट, he will tell, okay, he will talk about your past, कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, he will go into the past. So
Hmm.
actually if you look at, अगर आप कॉमन सेंस एंगल से देखेंगे, ये क्लाइंट has come to me to forget the past.
Hmm.
हाँ कि नहीं?
Very
ये
true.
हस्बैंड के साथ हो गया, बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ हो गया. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, उसको उसको आई एम मेकिंग हिज पेन grill like this.
Yes.
Okay, what he wants to forget I'm getting, and he is further going into pain.
Hmm.
तो यहाँ पे इन्हें बोले कि ऐसा नहीं होगा भाई. अभी मेरे पास क्लाइंट जो आता है, वे लेडी क्लाइंट कम, शी नॉट टेल मी एनीथिंग.
Hmm.
सामने बैठना है मुझे, एंड आई विल फाइंड आउट, आई विल टेल एनीथिंग फ्रॉम, शी हैज टू टेल वेदर आई एम करेक्ट और नॉट.
Hmm.
सी नो, ओरली बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. दैट इज हाउ शी इज वेरी सेफ इन माय स्कूल ऑफ थेरेपी. ओरल इंफॉर्मेशन बोलने से क्या है, मिसयूज होने के चांसेस ज्यादा होता है. So this psychology has become very popular, and I learned it. Of course, क्या हुआ, after I made a very heavy price. मैंने तो I took money for interest. I'm telling you 2 decades ago, because at that time nobody knew about it and very few knew about it.
Hmm.
And afterward no support. I'm telling pre-Google days. वो करके वो चला गया. वो लगे नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम एडवांस जो भी करेंगे ना, अच्छा करेंगे तो मैं इतना कंसेशन दूंगा. I will give you a job in Hollywood. तो
अच्छा.
हम भी बहुत खुश होकर हॉलीवुड में जॉब करेंगे ना तो. बट ही टोल्ड यू डू समथिंग, अगर आप सोशल सर्विस करेंगे तो 50% कंसेशन. एंड देन दैट इज दैट ओनली मेड मी ओके, नेक्स्ट ईयर हॉलीवुड जाना है अपने को. Then I went to, luckily I had a chance of working with prisoners of Hyderabad.
Okay.
Hyderabad Central Jail में, one commissioner came to me for something. I can say, sir, I want to work with your prisoners. क्या करना है? So उनका जो painful incidents है, उसको कम कर सके. हाँ हाँ, ये he was very happy. अरे पैसे देते तो आते ना, you are telling free of cost, I will send you jeep. So I went to Hyderabad Central Jail, and I worked with them about some 400 prisoners where I created awareness for them.
Oh.
Then I told, this is what I'm going to do. Then they had certain sleep disorder. So they were dragged into the jail, the way they were harassed. Oh, man में बैठ गया, movie चलते रहता है, sleep disturb
Hmm.
होता है. So that I took it as a this one. Same therapy, I gave it as a thesis for my PhD. So
Oh.
I'm the only PhD in NLP. So
Wow.
that I went for this. So वो interest वो है, interest is Hollywood था, ये नहीं था.
Uh-huh.
So these was a byproduct. Then somebody told me, भाई your thesis is very good, you apply it. Then I applied it, then I got it. Then I had to remodify थोड़ा work करना पड़ा. So this second thing, there was no practitioners group, you know. I mean, a lot of NLP is a failure because after NLP training, people doesn't support them mentoring.
Hmm.
थ्योरी अलग, भैया डाउट होता है कहाँ बात करते हो. यू हैव लर्नड साइकोलॉजी, डाउट कहाँ से पूछेंगे आप. यू डोंट हैव एनी पर्सन टू क्लैरिफाई डाउट. दैट्स कॉल्ड मेंटरिंग. मेंटरिंग इज हैंड होल्डिंग. सो व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू हैव माय ओन ग्रुप, ऑल माय एनएलपी स्टूडेंट्स जितने भी क्लास में थे, मैं मेरे घर में करता था प्रैक्टिस
अच्छा.
with my friends. Luckily, my wife used to help me out. Tea वगैरह. Then we used to, for about Sunday, every Sunday was. Then one doctor was there. वो डॉक्टर साहब का, डॉक्टर गंगाधर का, बोले मेरे इतना अच्छा कर रहे, why don't you come and help me in my clinic?
Oh.
So then I thought, okay, this is a clinical way. I didn't thought I will go into clinic. Then I used to help him. Then afterwards he retired. Then I had to make my own. That is how my journey into this one started. So, but
Very.
still, the power is so much that we can help the whole world.
Thank you so much for sharing these thought of yours.
Last में मेरा एक message है कि nowadays a lot of relationship is getting spoiled because of the mobile is electronic gadgets or interfering.
Hmm.
So my suggestion to this group is, at least मैंने 2 मोमेंट दिया है. एक है वाइफ्स डे. वाइफ के लिए एक 1 डे आप लोग सेपरेट कीजिए. ओनली 1 डे वाइफ डे. आपके हस्बैंड, एवरी हस्बैंड शुड रिस्पेक्ट हिज वाइफ and demonstrate by only 1 day. Apply leave, take her to somewhere outside, no electronic gadgets on that day. कहीं पे भी हो, whatever possible within your budget, take her, spend only 1 day, irrespective of age, 30 years, 40 years, 60 years. 1 day is wife's day. That is one. And second thing is, and when you are in your lunch table, पूरे मिल के साथ खाइए आप लोग. And no mobile.
No mobile.
No mobile. जब भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट रहेगा ना, आजकल इलेक्ट्रिक गैजेट इज इन्वेडेड आवर लाइफ. Okay, it is a tool should be a tool. Tool should not servant should not be our master.
Yes.
He becomes a master, then I'll be user. So these are my two requests and message I want to send to all our well-wishers. So these all areas, yes, mother. When you don't respect your wife, when you don't respect your, I always tell that when you don't respect your mother, when
Mm.
you cannot, I always tell this, when you cannot clean the saris of your mother, you will not do that for your wife. When you will not do for your wife, you will not do for your daughter. When you will not do for your daughter, you will not do for your granddaughter. वो habit वहां से बनता है.
Ah.
And all this thing mother is responsible. Okay, the
Mm.
mother university is wrong, life university is gone. Boss university is wrong, earning university is gone. If the academic university is all lifelong, your blind is on and on. So these are the three gods of learning: mother, boss, and also academics. So we are very, very careful in selecting this.
Mm.
So that is my message.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for sharing your journey with us at So Too
Uh,
High.
thank you, and I thank you for very much for
Yes, it
helping me to
was.
achieve my mission.
Yes, yes. It was
Uh,
my
and
honor to have you at So Too High.
thank you very much.